So all of you are playing with the cards. So a deck of playing cards. How many cards are there? There are 52 cards. These 52 cards are divided into 4 suits, and each suit means it is having 13 cards each. So 52 cards are divided into 4 suits. So here first one is spade, heart, diamonds, hearts and clubs. These are the 4 suits. This spades and clubs are black in color. These are red in colors. So here the spade, that shape is like this. Heart, you know what is the shape of heart? Diamond, and it is club. So spades and clubs are black in color, hearts and diamonds are red in color. You know each suit is king, queen, jack, then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2. Here this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there is 13 cards in each suit. Here also what is that? Ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way here also. Ace, king, queen, jack, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So here also. These are about the cards. And out of this, ace, king, queen and jack, king, queen and jack are known as face cards. So these 3 are known as face card. Ace is not a face card. King, queen and jacks are known as face cards. So there are 3 face cards here, 3 in hearts, 3 in diamonds, 3 in clubs. Therefore, total how many face cards are there? There are 12 face cards in this 52 cards. So one question I am making you to do. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So that means there are 52 cards. Then calculate the probability of the card. Probability of card. First one, an ace. Second, a face card. Third, a black cube. So here you know number of possible outcomes. That means all possible. How many cards are there? There are 52 cards. Therefore, NS number in the sample space is 52. So first one and ace. So how many? What are the number of favorable outcomes? How many times you get an ace? There are 4 suits. Each suit 1 is. So chance of getting number of favorable outcome is 4. Then P and ace equal to NE by NS. NE is 4, NS is 52, 1, 1, 3, it is 1 by 13. Second case, a face card. What are the number of favorable outcomes? Number of favorable outcomes. How many times you can get a face card? There are 12 face cards, so any is 12. Number in the sample space, the total possible outcome is 52. P, a face card, is any by ns, that is 12 by 52. 4, 3, 4, 1, 3. It is 3 by 13. Next one, third one. Third one is a black queen. So how many times you can get a number of favorable outcomes? How many black queen? So there are two suits black. One set is spades, another set is clubs. So spade means one queen, club means one queen. Therefore n is 2. Then P, a black queen, equal to 2 by 52. That is 1 by 26. Last question, question number 5. 2 dice, one blue, one grey are thrown at the same time. You know, there is 2 dice, one is blue die and other is grey die. Each one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, grey also 1, 2, 3, 5. So are thrown at one time. So how you are getting, what are the possibility of possible outcomes? So here, this side down I am writing blue and this side I am writing grey. So this one is grey. Grey means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blue means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First throw. Blue में 1 आ गया, grey में भी 1 आ जाएगा. So our outcome, this one is 1, 1. And next throw, blue में 1 आ जाएगा, grey में 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Second throw, next one, blue में 2 आएगा, grey में 1. Here 2, 2, blue 2, grey 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, when you are throwing blue 3 आ जा सकता है, then grey में 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Here 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are the all possible outcomes. So these are the all possible outcomes. Write down all possible outcomes. I have written all possible outcome. Number of, these are the sample space. So a number in the sample space is 6, 6, 6, 6 into 6 is 12. These are the, 36. 36 are the total possible outcomes. So question is asked, probability that sum of the two numbers appearing on the top of the die is 8. sum of the numbers appearing on the top is 8. That is, sum should be 8. Here maximum is 1 plus 6, 7, no? Here you see 2 plus 6, 8. This side 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. These are the favorable outcome, because our chosen event is sum of the numbers appearing on the top is 8. So, number of favorable outcome. What is the number of favorable outcomes? Any. Any is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 8 is coming. Sum is coming 8. So, any is 8. Possible outcome is 6. Therefore, P sum 8 is NE by NS, that is 8 by 36. 8 by 36 is 4, 2, 4, 9, 2 by 9. So this one 8 nahi hai. NE is not 8. NE is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. NE is 5. 5 by 36. The next is, second part is sum on the top is 13. Here maximum is coming 6 plus 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So therefore all the numbers when you add it, it is coming less than 12. So P, the sum is 13. So favorable outcome, what is the favorable number of favorable outcome? Number of favorable outcome is NE. NE is 0. You won't get this sum 13 in any of this case. So NE is 0. P, the sum 13 is NE by NS. NE is 0 by 36 is 0. This event, the sum 13 is called a impossible event. Then the third one, sum less than or equal to 12. Favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes. You know, sum less than 12 or equal. Here 6 plus 6 is 12. All others are less than 12. Therefore, all these are favorable outcome. 6 into 6, there are NE, the number of favorable outcome is 36. NS is also 36. Therefore, P, the sum less than or equal to 12. So it is sum is less than or equal to 12 is NE by NS. NE is 36, NS is also 36 equal to 1. Here in this case, the probability you are getting equal to 1. Therefore, the probability of an event is 1, means it is called a sure event. This probability is 1, therefore this is sum less than or equal to 12 is a sure event. This case the probability is 0, so it is an impossible event.